Beginning with version 5.5, Sage ACPAC ERP includes an analytical dashboard that displays key performance indicators for your business. Importantly, these indicators can alert you to issues and trends that may require corrective action. So let's jump right in and take a look. The dashboard launches from your web browser, and we've added an icon for this to our desktop. Your ID and password will be the same as your Sage ACPAC login. And if you have more than one company database, you can make your selection here. We'll select Sample Company Inc. The system will default to your system date. Importantly, the dashboard will present information relative to the date you enter here, so be careful with the date. Since the transactions in our sample dataset are in the year 2010, we'll change the date, and now we're ready to log in. Here we have the home screen for the dashboard. At the top, you'll see the company that you're viewing and the session date. Your available dashboards are presented on the menu bar, and Sage ACPAC will be releasing more in the future, so you should expect that the menu bar will grow over time. Let's launch the Receivables Management dashboard first, and here we've got a screen that shows a collection of charts and indicators that will help you monitor the health of your collections and help you spot potentially dangerous trends. From the Aged Trial Balance chart, you'll see your total receivables and aging. And on the right, we've got a set of performance indicators that show a comparison between the 12 months prior to the session date and the 12 months prior to that. Also, note the formula buttons that reveal the specific calculation method used for the performance indicators. Moving to the summary panel, we've got net billings versus net collections and your AR balance by period that in both cases compare the current 12 months with the prior 12 months. Now let's look at the Payables Management dashboard. We're presented with an aged payables graph and gauges for days outstanding and turnover. And on the right, we've got an interactive tool that allows you to create various discount scenarios and get instant feedback on the annual percentage cost of not taking discounts on your payables. In the lower panel, you'll find a payables summary that helps you identify trends in payment processing that may require corrective actions. Now let's launch the Sales Analysis dashboard and take a look at what it shows us. Important on the minds of management are the net sales of your top 10 customers for the current and prior year to date. Note that the information presented here is based on the settings you've specified in the Processing tab of the Order Entry Options form. Moving to the sales summary, we can see year-to-date net sales by customer group, which in our sample data shows retail versus wholesale customers. And we can look at the contribution of each of our territories to our year-to-date net sales. Moving to the top right, we've got barometers and gauges for some key sales indicators, and again, clicking the formula buttons shows us the basis for the calculations. And finally, there's a graph of sales by period for the year of the session date and prior year. And before we wrap up, a quick note about security. Access to the dashboards can be controlled using the security groups in Sage ACPAC. And now to recap. Sage ACPAC ERP includes a dashboard that provides a convenient snapshot of the health of your business and, importantly, can help identify trends that may require corrective action. Give us a call if you need assistance with the dashboard or any other feature in your Sage ACPAC system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.